That's fucking cool. That was cool.
Alright guys, welcome to another day at Ebisu. Today we actually have 5 cars out, so it is all hands on deck. The boys are flat out with the hire cars, there's 4 of them, and I'm doing a tuition with Lewis, and he's absolutely killing it. Unfortunately, it's a rain day here, but that's fortunate for us because we don't have to change so many tires. So the boys are probably happy about that. It's definitely a great experience for all these guys. First time at Ebisu, everyone's killing it. So yeah, you'll see the rest of that. Victor's gonna go off and film then. And you'll also see, it just started snowing as well. But yeah, so you'll see everyone's progress throughout the day. So I'll catch you soon, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how to end that, I'm sorry.
Go for it, man. Have fun.
Hey guys, it's Drift Night. We're at Ebisu with the Sideways X experience. And at home, I live in Guildford, which is close to London, south of London. And I normally drive BMWs, so E36s, straight 6 2.5s or 3 litres, NA. Pretty basic cars, mostly suspension modifications. What I call it is back to basics. This is my first time at Ebisu, and it's like a dream come true. I've been wanting to come here for like 10 years. And today's been like amazing. Yesterday was so sunny, everyone was so nice, it was straight vibes. Passenger rides, crazy drift cars. Today, raining and then snowing, which was really interesting, so it's a change of grip level. So yeah, good fun guys.
What's up guys, my name is Luis Munoz and I'm from Texas. And I came all the way out here to Ebisu Circuit to check out Sideways experience, and I'm having a blast. So being out here in Japan 17 days is really a breathtaking, different sceneries, and this is the cherry on top. I'm driving a Nissan 350Z with my boy Daniel, teaching me how to do donuts and drift and all that good stuff. The snow's pretty nice. We're in Ebisu and it's 34 degrees. I didn't expect this, but it's really great and I love it. And I highly recommend it.
I'm Omre from Israel. used to a BMW, came here to drive 350Z Nissan on Ebisu circuit. Well, Ebisu is a place, Ebisu circuit, a place I always see on media and video games. Wanted to come and see, experience the real place. Wanted to drive it. And these guys here made sure I got a great car, great condition. Checked out that everything okay, helped me get in the groove. And I got to drive it for myself and enjoy it. So I first learned drifting on private roads back home. Old, beaten BMW, 250,000 miles. Still make it work, open diff, whatever, stock, bone stock. Push it to the limit, toss it, it will toss. But wanted to see what the end game can look like as well. Got to experience this, so now I got something to look up for when I'm saving up for the car. Yeah, absolutely, a great experience. I waited and waited for this at the time of my life, and no other way I know of achieving this other than buying a car, dealing with fixing it. No, they made sure you got a great car, they take care of you. Don't know if any other place does this, and strong team, strong team.
Customers are back out on track now. Victor's down here doing anything for the shot. Hell yeah, this is where it's at. Mesmer's out doing some The track is nearly closed. It's been a very eventful day with all the customers. That is what we are all about.
Yeah, it was real fun here. The car was real nice. I haven't driven anything like that before. It was my first time drifting and doing donuts really, so I got to learn a bit and it was really fun. I can't really ask for a better day really. Yeah, freezing cold, but I can't complain because I had a good time really.
Our instructor was awesome. He gave us heaps of little tips and how to do things and that, you know, like pick up our drifting skills. It was awesome. Yeah, I'd recommend anyone that wants to come drifting in Japan to come to Ebisu circuit and go through sideways. It's been a great place.
Yeah, it looks so nice here, especially in the snow and the trees and everything, and good scenery and good track.
I am so satisfied, and it's been 10/10 experience. Everyone on the team and staff is so helpful, so knowledgeable, easy to speak to, and the car is very easy to drive. After like a short amount of time, really getting comfortable in the car, and the track also. Just book it. Japan is such a beautiful country. It's definitely my favorite country, and I'll be back next year, and I'll bring some people here as well. So yeah, it's been so fun, guys. Yeah, really sick.
That's so good. This is some of the experience.
Baby?
Yes. That was fun. That was fucking cool. Arigato. That was cool. That was cool.